Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tinsita Johnson, and today I'm back with Margarita with this super cute pigtail hairstyle. Let's get started. To tame the flyaways, I'm just using some water. You can take any bottle that you have left and recycle it. I just refilled it with normal water. And I'm doing a middle parting. Try to make your part lines as neat as possible. Then in the front, I'm taking away a strand of more or less 2 to 3 fingers wide. These are going to be our 2 front braids. I am applying with my toothbrush some gel. Here, this gel that I use, I ordered on Amazon, and it's called Eco Gel. I like that because it does not leave rests or anything and is very good to work with. Split into 3 strands. Start with the strand from the very top and bring it under the middle strand, then the right under the middle. I do 2 stitches before I start to add in hair, and as you see, I'm only adding in the hair from the top layer. So when the left strand goes over the middle, I'm holding it tight, then bringing the right under and adding in from the right hand side some extra hair. Keep on braiding until you have no more hair to incorporate. When I'm having the comb in my right hand, it's very easy for me to grab the hair with the comb. With my left hand, it's a bit more complicated. If you do these braids that are so tight to the scalp, always remember and try hard to have your fingers close to the scalp. Here I'm just applying some more gel to the length of the hair. This makes the result neater, avoids the flyaways, avoids that shorter hairs will stick out of the braid. And always pull close to the scalp, to your left hand in this case. Hold it close to the head. Don't lift up your fingertips too much because then you loosen up the braid. Keep on braiding. Now there is no more hair to incorporate, and I decided to braid down the whole length. So make a regular 3-strand Dutch braid, and then when you reach the end, just take a little clear elastic and tie everything together. On the other side, we're going to do exactly the same thing. You see that I go parallel to my side part line when I take the first section of hair. And yes, here I try with the comb and my fingers to grab the hair. And it's not so easy, but perhaps with trying and practicing, I will get there. So hold again the strands close to the head. This time we're going to incorporate the extra hair from the left hand side. So right goes under the middle, then left goes under the middle, and we bring extra hair from the left hand side to the braid. Fingertips close to the scalp, and take small portions of hair to have a neater result. And you see there is a right angle always from the hair that I incorporate to the braid or to the part line that goes from the middle of the head or from the front to over the eye. Keep on braiding until there's no more hair to add in, and then make a regular Dutch braid until the end, and I'm coming back to you when we have secured this braid. This style would be even a nice style if you just have the hair loose, but we decided to make a pigtail style. We're adding here some hair cuffs, I think they are called, so just some extra. And now I'm making another line that goes in a right angle to the middle part line until behind the ear. We're doing it on the right and then on the left hand side. I use again water, and then we're going to do different sections. Try to have the part lines as neat as possible, and then attach a hair tie. We are taking the same colors that we used for the hair cuffs, so we're going with pink and green, just matching my fingernails, and you make little ponytails. These sections are about 1.5 inch wide. Make little squares. Hold the ponytail again close to the scalp and attach the hair tie. Remember what I told you in previous tutorials, there's no need to make these ponytails too tight, you just want to secure the hair. Here I'm using some spray gel because she has small and little hairs, shorter hairs by the side, baby hairs actually, and like this I avoid that they stick out. So we have 3 ponytails on that side, and we're doing exactly the same on the other side. And you see, when I started with green, pink and green, now I do the same order so that the whole design is always alternating between the 2 colors. But you are free to do any design, of course, that you like. So keep on with the middle parting until the neck, and tie a little ponytail on one side just to have the hair out of the way. And you see the ponytail is on the height of the ear. I'm using spray gel now because it's easier to apply and because the hair is a bit wet. With this brush, it's I think a teasing brush, I'm smoothing out the top layer and it makes a neater result. Bring hair tie around the pigtail, the first one, and then make sure that when you do the second one, it will be on the same height. Now we are going to attach the little ponytails to our pigtails, and therefore I start with the first one on the left and I bring it over to the right. Then I go to the first one from the right and I bring it over to the left, and I always attach them with another hair tie. Use some hair gel to make sure that the strands or the little ponytails lay flat over the head, and keep on doing the same pattern from the side, from the left hand side to the right, and then from the right to the left. Here you see how I attach it. So some hair gel, smooth it out, comb it through, lay it flat over the head, hold it there, let your model help you, bring a hair tie over, and make always sure that the new hair tie goes directly over the one you attached before. Again, some hair gel, flattening everything out, and attach this to the pigtail. Now we have all 6 little ponytails joined to our pigtails. Comb everything through. Of course you have different lengths now, but one does not see it because it combines with the rest of the hair. Use the topsy tail tool to cover the hair ties. I take a little strand after I inserted the topsy tail tool, and then I bring the small strand that where I applied some hair gel around and through the topsy tail, and I hide the end in the pigtail. We're doing the same thing on the other side. You could also attach, now when you are done, some bows or whatever, scrunchie, but I prefer to cover up hair ties just with a strand of hair and give the protagonism to this style actually that I did to the little ponytails. This is our final result. Margarita will show it to you. We have a pigtail style. You can also make buns from them or braid them, whatever is convenient for you. Combined with front braids and 6 little pigtails that are crossed over to our little ponytails in the back. I hope you like this style. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you are new, and I hope to see you back very soon for a new tutorial. We are uploading tutorials 2 to 3 times a week, and if you have any requests, just leave me a comment down below. Bye bye, thanks for watching.